Good morning, students. The explanation is measurement of three-phase power by 2 wattmeter method. Here W1, W2. Okay, first you start with the dimmer stat because start with the input KV supplied to the dimmer stat R to R, Y to Y, B to B. Okay, next dimmer stat output to the first point R to the kit input R, again Y to the kit input Y, next blue to the blue, next one more point, the black point to the voltmeter negative. Again voltmeter positive to R, this Y to N, this N to 1. This is completed. Next blue to voltmeter negative, ammeter positive to this one blue, again ammeter negative to this blue. Okay, this is the load side R to R, Y to Y, blue to blue. Okay, the S1 and S1 shorted to this term P. This S1 is shorted, second wattmeter shorted to P. First one shorted S1 to P. Second wattmeter S1 to P shorted. Again this S2 to R. Next N to Y. Next S2 to blue. Again this is to Y.
2 wattmeters.
This is 2 wattmeter W1, W2. Why shorted? Because of the to measure the power W1 and
So this is the circuit diagram.
this is circuit diagram. Here 2 ammeter respect to the wattmeter. Again voltmeter, the phase to neutral, that is
Same is
230.
connected.
Same
on the
connected to
kit.
kit. Switch on the supply. Okay, next conduct the performance of the experiment. First to vary the input supply 230, correct? 230. By observing the voltmeter in kit up to 230.
Here they are varying.
Here they are varying auto transformer. Just observe the
Here you can
voltmeter
see
up to the 230 volts.
Yes.
Because the single phase to neutral 230 up to 230 volts.
Where
will
is
be.
it? Where is it? Where it? Okay, leave it. Leave it.
Okay. Next, increase the load step by step. First, you 1 amp supply the load. You take the reading W1, W2. Just observe W1, W2. 150 watts, 158, 157, 154. Next, again increase the second load. 290, 311, 305. Next, one more reading. 466, 448.
Power is increasing.
Power is increasing. W1 and W2.
Reduce it. Wait.
Next, decrease the load. 3 voltmeter method. Okay, here 3 voltmeter V1, V2, V3. This is ammeter. First, start with the dimmer stat. Okay, here voltmeter connections across the supply. Positive to the positive terminal, negative to the negative terminal. First voltmeter. Second voltmeter across the load. This red to blue, black to blue. Third voltmeter across the load side. This side, first point, red to first point, black to second point. The next ammeter connection series, again positive to this, negative to this. Here the resistance will be including because of the drop will be there. There is a choke coil. Okay. This across the choke coil, resistance will be adding 100 ohms. First point to the rheostat, first point to the first point load, second point to the second point of the load. Across the voltmeter will be there. This is V1, V2, V3. But here the V2 will be dropping because of across the inductance coil. Finally, you calculate the inductance choke coil. V1, V2, V3. Okay, performance will be started.
Slowly we have to vary the.
Slowly vary to the auto transformer. First 50 volts. Even though 20 volts, no problem. First you increasing 50 volts. Observe the reading. Here, just observe, here V1 is 51, V2 is less. Why V2 is less? Because of inductance coil. The rest drop will be there, automatically V2 will be less. 51, 10, 47. Almost this V1 and V3 will be same. Why V1 and V3 will be same? Because of across the supply,
And across.
across the load side. same V1 and V3. Only V2 will be dropped because of a across a inductance coil. Anyway, ammeter reading will be taken down 87
milliamp.
milliamps, 88 10 raised to minus 8. Again increasing the 100. Take down the readings. Almost 100 or 98, even though 99, no problem. 99, 20, 93, 170 milliamps. Again third reading, increasing the transformer, auto transformer, 150. Third reading, 148, no problem. 148, 148, 31, 138, 254 milliamps. Next, decreasing the auto back to initial position.
We'll stop.
We'll stop.